Hello, Seika. How are you? Oh, so cutie, cutie. Lovely eyes. Hello, viewers. This is me, Seika, again and again and again. My mother will read a fable for me to sleep. Okay. The title is The Farmer and the Fortune. Once upon a time, a farmer was out ploughing his fields. All at once, his plough hit something solid which would not budge. The farmer had to stop his horses and fetch a shovel to dig up whatever was in the way. To his huge surprise, he dug up a pot of golden coins. Of course, he was overjoyed at his discovery. From then on, every day he went to pray at the shrine of the goddess of the earth to say thank you for his find. However, the goddess of fortune came to hear about this and was jealous. She came to see the farmer and angrily demanded, "My man, why do you give earth the credit for the gift that I gave to you? You have not once thought of thanking me for your good luck. However, should you be unlucky enough to lose what you have gained, I know very well that you would blame me, fortune, for your bad luck." Alam mong done reading na. Show gratitude where gratitude is due. Seika! Bye-bye viewers. See you the next vlog. Seika! Seika! Bye-bye viewers na. Seika is busy. Bye-bye!